I'm going to drive past. We're going to go to the house. This is how you find it. I'm going to drive down to the trailer. Now there's a mobile home in the back there. That one does not belong to this. Now here's some of the sheds and storage buildings. Never quite seen anything like this, but apparently some kind of garage. I'm glad I got my new tires on yesterday, I'll tell you. Coming through here is difficult. This is just, again, all has to be raised. This is the same property, so if we come back here, all the way back, we'll see that there's a trailer. I've driven this down here once, so we can't get in. There's no access to that. They haven't rekeyed that one. So, and that would have to be removed anyway. But a lot of ground here. Again, that's the one next door, which is really well kept. A lot of things in the backyard, but it's very well kept. But it's and it's also, it looks like it's a double wide, but it's on a foundation. So that's a good thing.